What's up, guys? We gotta eat Takis. We gonna eat Takis.
Yeah, we go.
So let's do this.
That's my straw. Give me to my straw.
Yeah, not hot.
I got a corn spicy thing.
Say Up second, the normal Takis.
No, what? Wait.
All right. Up next is now these.
No reaction.
Yeah. I hope you had a Taki-tastic day and a nut-tastic day. Wah!
Okay. You have a Taki-tastic day. And bye.